This week's shout out goes to Abhishek Pujari, and if you want to be next week's shout out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Hey, this is me, and you are watching Senior Artist YouTube channel. So, in previous videos, many of you have commented to draw anime characters. So, finally, I have decided to draw anime characters, even though I have no idea how they look because I have never seen anime. But you guys commented, so I decided to draw Itachi and Sasuke. They are Uchiha brothers. And if you guys want me to draw more anime characters like this, then let me know in the comment section and tell me how does it looks. Because I have never drawn anime characters ever. If you like this character and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for my recent updates. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and love the characters. If you have any question or request, let me know in the comments below. Your feedbacks would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. And enjoy more clips and make sure you hit the like button. Goodbye. Tata.